Vince Salvatore, Peace Dojo, Aikido of Reno. Your role in a better place, no matter what you're doing, whether you're in an exercise at the Peace Dojo or in Aikido of Reno, you have a role. And one of the common themes is, are you making it better? Are you making wherever you're at a better place? So if you're at school, if your role is as a student, as a counselor, as a teacher, are you using that role in a way that'll make the place better for everybody? When you're working, if you're the boss, if you're an employee, are you, as you are in your role, are you making the place better? Just a really easy way to think about things. These are some of the things we go deeply into, and we have experiential exercises that are really important. Not just an intellectual thing, but we act things out, we feel things out through movement that we're doing at the Peace Dojo and at Aikido of Reno. We'd love to see you down here. Thanks for your time.